You're watching an EXA performance that is playing completely outside the EXA app. This is possible using a brand new tool called EXA Remix. Using this tool, developers can load, play, and customize EXA performances within any Unity app, even apps that don't use VR. We all know that you can remix music, but now you can remix the entire concert. You can drop this virtual band into any world, change the way the performers look, move them around to fit different stages, and change the shape of their instruments. You can make them play at different tempos, change the sounds that their instruments make, and turn parts on and off. You can even have many virtual bands playing at the same time. EXA Remix also gives you control of the audio from the performance. Using Unity's built-in audio tools, you can set positional audio, route the audio to the mixer, and add any kind of filters or effects. The performance that's playing now is another example of what you can do with the EXA Remix tool. This EXA layout contains dozens of different recorded loops, and I wrote some custom code to randomly combine them. The result is this virtual band that repeats its song every 4 minutes, but it plays a different version of that song every time it repeats. For all the musicians out there, this new tool makes it possible to bring your full musical performances into almost any app. You could have your virtual bands playing in everyone's VR home app, inside a concert app, as part of a game world, in a social space, or anywhere else you could imagine. If you'd like to make this happen, the first step is to tell your favorite app developers that EXA Remix is ready to go. So let's talk about the latest changes in EXA. The loop recorder has received some significant usability improvements. Before you start recording, you can use the new pop-out menu to choose which types of events to record, select the initial quantization level, and preset a loop duration. For this example, let's record both ringers and motions, quantize at 2 per beat, or eighth notes, and set the duration to 2 measures. Recording starts with the next measure, and stops automatically after 2 measures. My sloppy playing is now quantized nicely, but I can still change it in the loops menu. The other new feature is the cancel button that appears while you're recording. Before, if you made a mistake, you had to stop the recording, delete it, then move the recorder back to where it was. Now, you can just select the cancel button and start over without those extra steps. The loop's duration menu also has some usability improvements. The menu has 2 modes, trim and grow. The arrow buttons change the values by 1, or select the number button to load a new keypad menu. In trim mode, there are also new handles that appear on the loop chart. Grab these handles and drag them to the loop's new start and end beats. The loop and section menus now allow you to select volume levels up to 200%. The notes in the loop chart get lighter above 100% and darker below. You can also now set max voices to allow up to 64 simultaneous sounds. The following performance is one of many included with your copy of EXA. You can watch these performances in VR, change them, play along with them, and now with EXA Remix, you can even bring them into entirely different worlds. You can find EXA, the Infinite Instrument, on Steam. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.